Well, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Lately, cooking has caught my interest, and I decided to try cooking some things, and I find out that my pans are older and dilapidated, left behind from my previous marriage. So this morning I'm going to try out this, what they call a red copper pan, as opposed to my old cookware. So follow along. Let me know what you think at the end. Now this morning I have the old pan that I've had since my wife divorced me. Still here, still works. And I have a new pan. It's fancy, what they call a red copper pan here. I don't know if you can see that. See? Red copper pan. And we're going to try it out. We're going to see if this is as good as this. Alrighty. Alright, so as you can see, I'm here by my kitchen sink. I have, as I showed you, my original pan that my ex-wife left me, spatula here, a plate to put the finished product. I have butter, since this is an old used pan, I'll need a lot of butter. And eggs, ready to put in. We're only going to do one, because we already know what's going to happen here. Let's turn on the stove here. Add plenty of butter. One egg. Gotta let it melt a little bit. Now let's see how good I am at keeping the egg whole. So far so good. Like I say, lots of butter, because this no stick part of this pan sticks. Starting to get a little glumpy here, really. I don't know if you can see it, but not doing the best. Having problems here. The key is not to break the yolk. And I was successful so far. Okay, here we go. Broken yolk. Not much luck there. There you have it. Okay, broken little, as you can see up close, it's really not a very pretty egg at all. Okay, we're back again. And this time we're going to try to use the fancy red copper pan. Break the seal. Break it open. Voila. Brand new red copper pan. Now, I'm not supposed to have to use butter here, so let's see what happens. Back, turn the stove on again. Get it a little warmed up. And this time we're going to do 2 eggs, because I have more confidence in this new pan. Now, I'll tell you, probably should wash off the processing. Okay, I'll take my chances. No broken yolk. No broken yolk. And it's starting to turn white around the edges. See? Hey, I think I like this a little better. Let me put away my fancy knife blade here. Don't tell anybody about that, okay? My little secret. Oh, let it do a little bit better. Hold on. Almost got it. It's not sticking, by the way. So far, no broken yolk. I'm going to try to break it and separate it here. It's sliding away nicely. Doesn't appear to be burning. Now comes the trick. Can we flip it? Flipped. One's flipped. Two is flipped. And no broken yolk yet. No, it's not sticking. Not yet. Turn the heat down. And we're almost there. It does not slide, by the way. I am pushing in my spatula under it, and it is sticking there a little bit. Now let's try this. As you can see, it does stick a little bit, guys. See that? That's sticking there. Just so that you know, the commercials, well, it is what it is. But definitely a lot better than the new pan. Old pan. I'm sorry, better than the old pan. We're back one more time. This time we're going to try it with butter on the new red copper pan. As you can see, there's still a little bit left in there of the eggs from earlier. Get a little bit of heat. Butter. Get an egg. I like my eggs with butter anyway. So if you want to call that butter, that's actually plastic. Pretend butter at Country Crock. I'll leave that alone. Egg. And as you can see, it's slowly but surely doing its thing. Definitely helps the sticky part. It doesn't stick quite so much with butter, huh? And now we're going to flip it. One more flip it, see? Flipped. And we got it. Turn off the heat. Slides out a whole lot easier with butter in there. See that? Mm-hmm. So I guess we know. As you can see, I took liberty to butter myself up on toast. A little bit of salt, flavor, and on the drawer.